Hi-Crush is the premier low-cost domestic producer and distributor of premium Northern White raw sand, a specialized mineral used to enhance the recovery rates of hydrocarbons from oil and gas wells. Hi-Crush Northern White sand is of the highest quality and comes with superior crush strength combined with superior value. Welcome to our distribution operations headquarters in Sheffield, Pennsylvania. Hi-Crush is a solid leader in the frac sand industry because of our technology, superior workforce, and the knowledge gained from building and operating multiple facilities. We apply this knowledge to our production, operations, logistics, and distribution business. To operate more efficiently, our customers request a broad array of services. Our ability to offer consolidated services from sand supply to logistics to distribution centers allows us to maximize efficiencies for Hi-Crush and our customers. Our strategically located distribution terminals allow our customers to source the sand as close to the well sites as possible. The sand that is mined at our Wyville, Augusta, and Whitehall, Wisconsin facilities is delivered via rail to one of our destination terminals. We have 13 terminals in the Marcellus and Utica shale plays and have completed construction of a new terminal in Big Spring, Texas in the Permian Basin. We plan to expand our footprint in the Marcellus and Utica shale plays and other basins in the near future. The delivery process begins with a customer order for specific volumes and specific grades of sand. Our customer service representatives are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to meet the needs of our customers.
Good morning, Hi-Crush. This is Tiffany. How can I help you?
While most orders are placed during the normal business workday, we are prepared for customers who need sand at a moment's notice to finish a well completion. Once the customer order is entered into our system, our purchasing department ensures that the right grade of sand will be available when the customer specifies at the right location. The right sand at the right place at the right time. Coordinating sand delivery from the mine to the destination terminal is a complex job, requiring a strategic view of the production operations as well as the rail logistics required for the most cost-effective transportation from the mine. The sand is delivered via manifest or unit trains using our own fleet of rail cars. We have more than 1,200 rail cars under lease and will be adding another 1,000 rail cars over the next year. In addition, many of our customers have their own dedicated railcar fleets, servicing their sand supply from our mining facilities. In total, we manage a fleet of over 5,000 rail cars to serve our customers with the delivery of high-quality Northern White frac sand. The constant fluctuation of product need, rail car supply, and rail congestion is taken into consideration when choosing how to ship our product. Some shipments are sent via manifest train, which is typically smaller in number of rail cars and can consist of different grades of sand. These manifest trains are sent to regional yards and split apart for delivery to their final destination. A unit train, on the other hand, is a dedicated shipment direct from the mine site to the terminal. At Hi-Crush distribution facilities, a unit train of 100 rail cars can be unloaded in less than 24 hours and returned to its original location for reloading. All told, a unit train can be loaded, shipped, unloaded, and returned within 2 weeks, compared to as much as 13 weeks for a manifest train. Using unit trains maximizes the use of our railcar fleet, offers faster transit time, and saves considerable cost. We are proud that all of our mining facilities can ship unit trains using our 3 5,000-foot rail spurs at each facility. Many of our terminal locations can receive unit trains, clearly differentiating our operations from our competitors. Our logistics team works with the Class 1 railroads and the short lines to manage our fleet of rail cars. Our state-of-the-art systems track the movement of all the rail cars, whether the car is on its way to a terminal, is used for storage at a rail yard, unloaded at the terminal, or is empty on its return trip back to the originating mine. The main focus of the Sheffield headquarters is to keep operations running smoothly from the mine to the distribution site, providing our customers a complete solution through a complement of services. Welcome to our distribution operations site in Smithfield, Pennsylvania. When the rail cars are received at the terminal location, our operators perform a physical track check that verifies the rail cars by mine code, product grade, and customer. The frac sand is sold by the four main grades of high-quality Northern White frac sand: 2040, 3050, 4070, and 100 mesh frac sizes. After the track check is complete and the rail cars are verified, the operators pull samples from each rail car in preparation for testing. Our testing process consists of a sieve analysis that will verify the grade of sand to ensure the quality of our product and the integrity of our operation. When unloading rail cars into the silos, the site supervisor or lead operator will generate a silo order based on the daily needs of our customers. That order is entered into our silo control software, and a hard copy is passed on to the operators in preparation for unloading rail cars. The operators utilize our shuttle wagon to position the appropriate rail cars over the conveyor pit for unloading. To maintain the quality of the sand from the mine to the terminal and then to the truck, the rail car is verified in the control system one final time by the operators to ensure the correct grade of sand is delivered to the correct silo. The silos are loaded by means of an undercar conveyor belt that feeds a large bucket elevator that carries the sand to the top of the silos. Then through a series of diverters and conveyors, the sand is transported to the correct silo. Our individual silos are capable of storing from 500 tons to 2,000 tons of sand each. In total, High Crush distribution operations have 42,600 tons of silo storage capacity alone, with additional storage available in the form of rail cars on miles of exclusive use rail sidings. Inventory levels are continually monitored from the control room. State-of-the-art sensors are installed in the silos, allowing our operator to see an exact view of how much sand remains, even down to a 3D profile of the product.
All right, so 12, you're good to come back.
With scales under each silo and a standalone scale available at the site, up to 6 trucks can be loaded simultaneously at the Smithfield distribution site. Our operators are in radio contact with the drivers from the moment the trucks arrive at the facility. Information is gathered to direct the trucks to the proper silo. The truck drives onto a scale to be weighed. The scale automatically generates a ticket that is stored in our system. The truck is loaded while on the scale, increasing efficiency and giving us the ability to load the amount of product requested to within 20 pounds of accuracy, less than 0.04%. All of this is done by the High Crush operator using the latest technology from within the confines of our control room. Incredibly, the entire loading process of about 25 tons per truck takes less than 5 minutes. The driver receives a paper scale ticket and returns to the well site. The control room is the heart of the distribution facility. Our operators do not have to climb silos to check inventory. Most of the truck loading is fully automated and performed from a computer terminal. As you have just seen, High Crush has applied its knowledge base to existing equipment and operations to create proprietary state-of-the-art processing facilities. Combined with our premium Northern White sand reserves and an unrivaled and superior workforce, High Crush truly embodies performance under pressure.